The JRC300 drilling rig combines advanced technology with user-friendly operation. With remote control functionality, it effortlessly crawls to the drilling sites. Hydraulic outriggers ensure stability while the mast adjusts to the proper angle for drilling. The rotary head, powered by a push valve, delivers smooth feeding and lifting. A steel chain connecting the mast and engine cover allows easy engine inspection during operation. Designed for efficiency and reliability, the JRC300 is your ideal partner for demanding drilling projects. Look forward to your consultation and cooperation.